If you were to ask me, I'd tell you that roulette is my favorite possible way to make money at the casino. It's the game I've made the most money in, and if you see me there, that's probably where I'll be at. Let's look at the many options available. When you come to the table, the dealer will ask you if you want to make inside bets or outside bets. The inside bets are made up of 38 different numbers in the center of the table. Bets placed on any number, including the 0 and the double 0, are paid out at 35 to 1. You can split two adjacent numbers with a bet, and if the ball lands on any of these numbers, it will be paid out 17 to 1, meaning a $1 bet would win you $17. Three numbers split between one bet will pay 11 to 1, and four numbers bet on a quarter will be paid out at 8 to 1. Outside bets are made up of columns, dozens, even odds, red blacks, and low highs. Columns and dozens pay out at 2 to 1, while even odds, red blacks, and low highs all pay out at 1 to 1 or even odds. There are many strategies that can be applied here. Keep in mind the even odds bets are not completely 50-50 odds. If the ball lands on a 0 or the double 0, all outside bets are lost, which brings your odds down to a 47.4 chance of winning. There is one variation of the game that can affect your bets. European roulette does not have a double 0 option, only a 0 option. In your even odds bets, this would bring your odds up to a 48.6% chance of winning. That may not sound like much, but when you're playing the numbers, a 1% advantage can make all the difference. With some strategy, though, you can bring your chances of winning much higher than that. Check out some of my favorite tried and true strategies to help you get the most out of your casino visit. Hey, if you don't see what you're looking for here, let me know, and we'll put a video together describing exactly how to not waste your money at it. Subscribe so you know when it's coming out, and go check out the channel. Stay in the know, and good luck.